Pollution. Global plastic production in a million tons. In conclusion, we can see that the global production of plastic will have nearly doubled from the year 2010 to 2050. This graph is positively skewed, meaning that the growth of this graph will always increase. Plastic is one of the largest factors of waste and pollution, creating an unclean society and harm for many sea life and wildlife creatures. SO2 emissions in Asia in million tons. In conclusion, we can see that in Asia alone, the SO2 emissions will continue to increase well past the year 2050. This graph is positively skewed and will always continue to increase. SO2 emissions are sulfur dioxide, which is gas primarily emitted from fossil fuels combustion at power plants and other industrial facilities, as well as fuel combustion in mobile sources such as locomotives, ships, and other equipment.
Ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer depletion is a decline of about 4% in the total amount of ozone in the Earth's atmosphere. This graph has over the years mostly been high, but by the year 2020 there seems to be a dip, then increase in the depletion. By the year 2050 it is predicted that it would be at the average amount it has been. Average temperatures in Victoria. In conclusion, we can see that as the years pass, the average temperatures in Victoria remain relatively the same. By the year 2050 it is expected that the average Victorian temperature is 9 degrees.
Regarding concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, we can see that concentration of CO2 entered into the atmosphere will remain around the same in 2050 since the year 2000. In conclusion, we can see that carbon dioxide will always be absorbed into the atmosphere. Regarding temperature anomalies, in conclusion, we can see that the average yearly temperature of land has increased over the years. This increase is caused by global warming. Global warming is an increase of temperature which also leads to the melting of polar ice caps, which is caused by the amount of pollution in the atmosphere.